Then he goes to the 3D printer and makes a gun that he takes to threaten Ernst and Ling, thinking he can make them confess to some secret conspiracy. Sasha starts coughing while he speaks and unexpectedly throws up before falling to the floor as his body goes through a seizure. Ling puts the gun away while the crew takes Sasha to Monk, but before the doctor can do anything, Sasha throws up the missing worms and dies. A terrified Ava goes to her room to stop herself from having a breakdown, but she returns when she hears Mina has woken up. Jason is wary of this woman, but Ava still approaches her and asks her what she's doing here. Mina wonders the same about Ava and explains she's been in this station for 2 years, she knows all the others except for Ling. Ava tells her Ling is the Shepherd engineer, but Mina says that's her own job and that Ava was supposed to be on Earth. Mina swears Ava had been the team's civilian coordinator and they were friends, but Ava still doesn't know who she is. Upset over the fact nobody knows her, Mina clings to Ava with a hug and whispers in her ear not to trust Ernst because he was the one to sabotage the ship. When Jason learns about this, he checks the system and finds emails confirming Ernst is a spy. Jason immediately goes to find him and beat him up before locking him up in a room as a prisoner, although Ernst swears he doesn't know what they're talking about. In the meantime on Earth, citywide destruction has been reported. Michael's driving to the hospital while calling people at the base to send a message to his wife only to hear they've lost contact with the station. Suddenly Michael stops the car because he sees a giant shadow walking away from a destroyed house, where young Molly is yelling for help. Michael takes her with him in the car but they can't go to the hospital because Michael gets a message that the building has been destroyed too. He promises Molly she'll reunite with her parents later, then he takes her to a shelter that belongs to a friend that is out of town where they can wait safely. In the station, Gordon is working on the repairs when suddenly a weird hole appears on the wall and swallows his arm. This strange hole is capable of moving all over the wall and dragging Gordon with him. Jason and Ava hear him cry for help and come pull him out, but once he's free, Gordon is shocked to discover he's lost his arm. Monk takes a look at it but he can't find any clues, especially since Gordon swears it doesn't even hurt. Things get weirder when the door to Ernst's room opens on its own and he comes out to find something in the corridor that makes him call the crew.